lavas, and hello. Welcome back to Gimimo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of March, we're learning all about Lithuania. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning the happy birthday song as sung in Lithuania. So let's listen and hear how this goes. Su Gimimo Diena, Su Gimimo Diena, Su Gimimo, Su Gimimo, Su Gimimo Diena. Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. So you might have noticed that the tune of this song is the same as the happy birthday song sung in English. So let's learn the words together. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. And this means best wishes to you on your birthday. So let's try singing it from the top. I'll sing a line and I want you to repeat it back to me, okay? Ready? Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo, Su Gimimo. Su Gimimo, Su Gimimo. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. Great! All right, should we try singing it together slowly from the top? All right, ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo, Su Gimimo. Su Gimimo Diena. Great job, how'd you do? Should we try it one more time, all together from the top, a little bit faster, and with some more pizzazz? It is a happy birthday song after all. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo Diena. Su Gimimo, Su Gimimo. Su Gimimo Diena. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Gimimo Kids. Bye, everyone. Visto gelo.